Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about our feelings and how they can change throughout the day. So what we're going to do first is we're going to review the zones. We've been talking about how the different color zones can mean different kinds of feelings. So let's just remind ourselves of what those feelings are. When we're in the blue zone, we can take a look at these pictures here. The blue zone, we tend to feel sad, sick, tired, bored, or maybe we are moving slowly. That's how we feel when we are in the blue zone. When we are in the green zone, take a look at these pictures. We're feeling happy, calm, we're feeling okay, we're focused, and we're ready to learn. The yellow zone, you can see some of these pictures here. We feel frustrated, we're worried, maybe we're feeling silly or really wiggly. Maybe we're feeling excited. Remember, sometimes when we're excited, we have some loss of control of our body or our mouths. Okay? It's harder for us to control them. So that's what loss of control means, that you are not controlling yourself as well as you can. Okay? So that's the yellow zone. The red zone, take a look at those pictures. That's when we're feeling mad or angry, when we're feeling mean to others, when we're feeling terrified, remember that's really scared, when we're yelling or hitting other people, and we're feeling completely out of control. We're not controlling our minds, we're not controlling our bodies or our mouths. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to track our feelings. Because sometimes when we start off our morning, we might not get the cereal that we want or the breakfast that we want, and we might start off our morning feeling pretty crummy, right? We might be in the yellow zone if we're not getting the breakfast that we thought we were going to get, right? So we might start off our day in the yellow zone. This little boy even looks like maybe they're in the red zone. Okay, so we could start off our day in the red zone, but it doesn't mean that we are going to be in the red or yellow zone the whole day, right? The day can change. Maybe you're getting really excited about going to school and seeing your friends. So you're no longer in the yellow or red zone and you're feeling okay. You're feeling in the green zone. You're feeling calm and ready to get on the bus and go to school. So notice we went from the red zone or yellow zone to the green zone. Here, maybe you're doing some really hard math and you're feeling a little worried because you're not quite sure how to do it. Remember, worried is in our blue zone. Okay? So we can start to feel, as we're doing some hard things in school, we can start to feel worried or maybe a little sad that we feel like we can't do it. So that's how our feelings can change even when we're doing work at school. But remember, your feelings can change because I'm here to help you. Right? So if you're feeling sad or you're feeling frustrated, I can help you. I can help you with what you're working on to help you get back into the green zone to feel calm and okay and ready to do some good work. Maybe you're starting to feel really happy because you are at recess, right? You're sitting in lunch and you're full and ready to go and have some fun. You're feeling in the green zone. So before, you might have felt a little frustrated or sad, right? Yellow or blue zone. and now we're in the green zone. So again, our day changes based on what we're doing and how we're feeling, right? Our feelings change. They don't usually stay the same the whole day. Okay? Our feelings change based on what we're doing and what others do around us and how they make us feel. So what we're going to do today is at different points in the day, you are going to keep track of how you are feeling. So you should have a zones poster in your packet to remind you of the zones and the feelings in those zones. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write your name. You're going to write your name here. And then you can just write today's date. Okay. 9/9. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to ask an adult for the time. And when we're working together in our lessons, we'll do this before we start our lessons. You'll write down the time, and then you'll color in what you're feeling. So maybe I'm starting off my morning, and I'm feeling a little tired. So I'm in the blue zone. And if you want to use a blue crayon or marker to color in that rectangle for the blue zone, that's fine. Okay? So I'm writing 7 a.m. because it's 7 a.m. and I colored in the rectangle next to the blue zone right above the time so that I knew at 7 a.m. I was feeling a little tired. I was feeling in the blue zone. Okay? And then maybe later on as I'm doing some work, I'm feeling really productive, meaning I'm getting a lot done, and that's making me feel proud of myself. So maybe around 9 a.m., after I've done some work, I'm feeling like I'm in the green zone. Okay? So throughout the day, you are going to stop and write down the time. And then notice the time it's the next time, so it's in the next box. And so I color in the box in that column. Okay? I didn't color it right next to the green zone box. I colored it in the second one because it was the second time I recorded my feelings. Okay? I would like you to try to do this 3 or 4 times today. Okay? Maybe you do it at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Maybe you do it at breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. Or maybe you do it at breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then bed. Whatever works for you, but I want you to notice how you are feeling and how those feelings change throughout the day. Okay? So, good luck, and I'm excited to see how your feelings change throughout the day when we talk next. Bye.